My name is Anil Kamble and I work as an worldwide DraftSight industry process expert specialist at Dassault Systemes. So the topic of my presentation is SOLIDWORKS PDM plus DraftSight is equal to effective drawing management. So in next 30 to 40 minutes, I will show you how effective this equation works for the customers who are already using SOLIDWORKS PDM and are seeking for a cost-effective solution to create and modify drawings and efficiently manage their legacy drawing data. Right. So let me start with the agenda. So we will have an overview on DraftSight and understand DraftSight as an application. And then moving ahead, we will have a sneak peek on DraftSight journey so far. We will also get to know what all the flavors are there within the DraftSight. And once we understand the products, we will see the add-in benefit, what it brings. Then once we know the benefits, we will have a deep dive and see what all the, how the SolidWorks PDM add-in supports DraftSight. Once we have that compatibility matrix overview, we'll then jump into the thorough demo presentation on how this integration works. Now, once we understand the product and its benefits, then we will see what cost benefit it brings us to the table. We'll then summarize, and if time permits, we will have a question and answer session. Right. So now DraftSight is an ultimate editor from ultimate editor for DWG and DXX file, and it's from the maker of SolidWorks. So you can easily open the AutoCAD drawing file within the DraftSight, work upon them, modify them, and then save them as an DWG file. And then those same DWG files can be open into any other alternative CAD application, and you can work upon those with no problem with that. Now DraftSight comes with the familiar graphical user interface, so it makes you feel right at home. Even if you love to work in command prompts, you have the similar command prompt. You can type in the commands and even work the commands with the command prompt. Now, if you still love to work in toolbars and menus, DraftSight comes with the classic environment. DraftSight is quite flexible, and you can customize it as the way you want. Right? Now, even if your drawings are complex and includes dynamic blocks in it, within the DraftSight, you can edit and modify those dynamic blocks with all intelligence remain intact. And those blocks can be then called as the custom blocks of DraftSight. Now, if you want to configure and automate the blocks within DraftSight, you can easily do that as well. Now, DraftSight is a open source application. So if you have any customization done earlier on AutoCAD with the Autolist program and would like to bring those Autolist programs within the DraftSight, you can easily do that. Right. So quite user friendly and easy to transition for the users who already know the CAD application, can easily transition to the DraftSight application. Now, DraftSight was been commercialized in 2019, and since then we strive our best to give a better experience and better functionalities for the user, so to simplify their work and increase the productivity. So every year we add those functionality so user can enjoy their work. Now the functionality is like, for an example, custom blocks that we spoke about, which help to configure and automate the blocks. Okay, even that, and if you have a dynamic blocks within the legacy drawings, you can you can modify them and edit them and then convert them into the dynamic blocks, into the custom blocks. In 2023, again, we have come up with really good enhancements like annotation monitor, data extraction wizard, selection cycling, and many more, which again help users to easily create those drawings, simplify their works, and help them to improve their productivity. So that's what I know about the DraftSight journey. Now we listen to our customers, and that's how we have a we cater the products based on the customer needs. So the products that you see, the DraftSight Enterprise, DraftSight Enterprise Plus, DraftSight Mechanical, are the network license applications. And we also do provide the standalone application like DraftSight Professional and Premium. For more information, you can go to the website www.draftsight.com. But for now, like DraftSight Enterprise Plus, if you want to refer it, you can refer it to AutoCAD LT, but it's more than that. So DraftSight Enterprise includes all the essential drawings tools that are needed to create the drawing and modify the drawings. Over and above, it includes the unique SolidWorks drafting features like mouse gestures, heads-up tool, and then dimension palette. Within DraftSight Enterprise, you can predefine the layers and then speed up your work. If you are working on the external files, drawing files, and would like to refer them, we have the tools like design resource and external reference that help you to easily work on refer the external files. The DraftSight Enterprise comes with power tools. You can compare the drawings. You can create the G codes if you would like to give it them to the CNC operator. You can convert the raster images into the vector geometry with image tracer. And if you are in from the mining industry and specifically work on the topographic images, you can convert those topographic images into 3D dumb solids with the topo tracer. DraftSight Enterprise comes with the standard library of screw, nut, bolts, washers, pin, and holes. You can readily use them within the drawing and create the drawings. So no need to create each and every line of the screw bolt assembly, and which takes a lot of time to do that. So it comes with the standard library. You can readily use that. Now DraftSight is an open source application, so you can create the APIs with the help of DraftSight API help. And if you have a autolist files with you, then you can load those list file within the DraftSight. Now, being as a application from the makers of SolidWorks, it has the tight integration and have the add-in support for SolidWorks PDM and for SolidWorks Electrical as well. So you'll have a look at in detail how it is tightly integrated with SolidWorks PDM. Now, DraftSight Enterprise is available as a network license. It comes if you would like to have perpetual or a term license, you can have both options available. It comes with the full technical support. Right now, DraftSight Enterprise Plus, on the other hand, includes all the capabilities of DraftSight Enterprise, and it includes the 2D constraints capability, where you can constrain geometries, the custom block capability to edit and modify the dynamic block, or even you can configure and automate the blocks within DraftSight Enterprise Plus. It comes with the 3D work environment where you can conceptualize your idea. A sheet set manager, if you would like to organize and manage the drawings locally. So I can make use of Sheetset Manager there. Now DraftSight Enterprise Plus, if you want to refer, you can refer it to AutoCAD, right? It comes with the network license option, perpetual and term both, with the full technical support. Now DraftSight Mechanical is a new member in our family. If you would like to refer this product, you can refer it to AutoCAD Mechanical. So it includes all the capabilities of DraftSight Enterprise Plus with few advanced features, like you can create the construction lines and then rectangle with the dimensions and stuff like that. You can create the part references, customize the past references, add the properties to the part references. We generally call them as an attributes. You can do that. And then you can generate the bill of material. So you can base as per the organization standard, right? So based on the BOM, you can customize the part list, including whatever the attributes that you need in the part list. Now this the part list is associated, with the balloon. So balloons can be auto generated based on the part list. It again comes with the standard library intact and with the part references. So any of the standard component placed in the drawing will be automatically reflected in the part list. Anyway, you do have the options if whether you would like to reflect it or not. The choice is always for the user. Now even this DraftSight Mechanical come as a network license with perpetual or a term and with full technical support. Now these three products are the desktop network license offering. The fourth one, 3D Experience DraftSight, which comes as a named user license, is available on the 3D Experience platform. Now, those who don't know what 3D Experience platform is a business experience platform which help to connect people, idea, and data. So the product available on the 3D Experience platform are 3D Experience DraftSight Professional, Premium, and Mechanical. So it includes all their respective desktop capabilities, powered by collaboration, data management, task management on the 3D Experience platform. Now that's what it makes the difference, and that's what the 3D Experience DraftSight is. Right. So that was all about the DraftSight portfolio we have. Now there was a recent, there was a study made to understand why the add-ins are important and why they should be included in the application. So it says that if you have an add-in within the application, it definitely will help you to simplify your interactive operations, and the workflow, logistic, and information flow keep unobstructed. So the commands you will get readily there itself, so you can directly utilize them. That in turn will help to improve the CAD efficiency, and it will help to improve overall enterprise operation efficiency. So again, then if the commands are readily available within the application, user will work hassle-free, right? Now let me take a deep dive and show you what SolidWorks data management multi-CAD support matrix. And I have took the product versions from 2021, SolidWorks PDM Manage and Professional from 2021 to 2023, and the product that I had took are DraftSight and AutoCAD itself. Now if you see the file support for PDM and Manage, it's a full file support here. But whereas if you look at AutoCAD, you find there some lag there. Okay, add-in support, yes, we have the full add-in support. Now if you have SolidWorks PDM standard with you, then SolidWorks PDM is an is used for the small work group within the team. So if you have that, if you see the file support and the add-in support, we have that within the DraftSight 2021, 2022, and 2023. Whereas if you see for the AutoCAD, you don't have any add-in support there. You can then look at same wise for the PDM Manage Professional and Professional for version 2022 and SolidWorks PDM Standard for 2022 as well. So straightforward, you have the add-in support and then a file support, a strong support for DraftSight, whereas you will find a little bit lag when it comes to DraftSight. Oh, sorry, when it comes to SolidWorks, right? So for an example, the file support, if you see for AutoCAD is yes, but then in bracket it's B, which says that the file preview with the built-in drawing viewer is not supported for this version. So so if a user would like to work upon a drawing and if he is not able to see the preview, it did again improve the task of the users, right? So that's what the support matrix says, right? Now let me go ahead and take you through the demo of integration. Now the CAD application that you see on the screen is DraftSight Enterprise, and when you install the PDM within the enterprise, you'll get the add-in within the DraftSight add-in application, wherein you can unload and load as the way you want. If you want to load it on startup or not, you can decide that. The SolidWorks PDM tab, is the way you see it. You get all the commands in here, and for demonstration, let me open one of the file. It's assembly on private, and when you open the file, you'll get a nice preview of that drawing, and you know what the drawing is all about, right? And then you will get all the variables or the attributes of that particular drawing. So who's approved by, checked by, what's the description, and many more things. Now the data cards within the SolidWorks PDM help you to map the drawing attributes with the variables of SolidWorks PDM. So you can map those attributes unidirectionally or bidirectionally based on the workflow process that you or your organization follows. So here I am trying to show you the both the bidirectional associativity, the way we can change, and you can also link that with the link the drawings with the life cycle state as well. So, and if you are already using SolidWorks PDM, you know how to govern or how to change the life cycle state as well. So here are the changes what we have made within the attribute, and those are reflected in the title block of the drawing. I can again go ahead and make necessary changes within the attributes of the title block, like who has drawn by, who has checked by, who has been approved it, what is the description of the drawing, and then what is the size of the drawing. So those attributes I can make changes and then check in right away with the add-in into the SolidWorks PDM vault. So once the not even the drawing, but if you have the reference of the drawings, you can open those reference and make necessary changes and upload them into SolidWorks PDM vault. Once you do that, you will get all of those information or the attributes that whatever changes you made within the SolidWorks PDM vault. Now you can automate a few of the tasks within SolidWorks PDM. Like if you would like to convert the DWG files or the Excel file into the PDF, you can easily do that. You can also make use of task scheduler to convert or perform such tasks to convert the DWG files into the PDF files. Now, the application on which you saw was DraftSight Enterprise, right? Which you can refer to AutoCAD LT also. But you can also, if you have a dynamic blocks and you would like to modify those and then utilize and then manage the drawing, you can same way you can load it on the you have the add-in for the Enterprise Plus as well, right? So moving ahead, let me, once you have seen the product and its benefit, now let's see what all the cost benefit we have with the DraftSight. So now DraftSight Enterprise, we have the network perpetual licenses for rupees 73,636 rupees. And if you would like to look at the network term licenses, we have around 32,718 rupees. Now DraftSight Enterprise Plus, which you can refer to AutoCAD, comes around, the perpetual license cost around 1,38,990, and the network term licenses cost you around 57,318. So for more detail on the pricing part, right, there might be some of the discounts running, and so you may need to reach out to the business partner for more detail on the pricing. Okay, but whereas if you see at the AutoCAD, you don't have any options available for the network licenses. So if you would like to avail this, you can reach out to our business partner for more details. So that was it. So let me summarize what we have seen so far. So yes, DraftSight indeed is a cost-effective, user-friendly solutions for even if you won't like to manage your drawings on SolidWorks PDM Vault. It indeed comes with the flexible licensing options. So we have the network license available with perpetual and term options available. The add-in, what we have again simplifies the interactive operations that will indeed help to improve the CAD efficiency and overall enterprise operation efficiency.